Paper feed roller and separator disassembly and assembly. Remove the fixing screws, move the fixed sleeve, and then remove the paper feed roller assembly. Then, the separator can be directly removed. After installing the paper separating sheet, when pressing it by hand, there is obvious rebound and no jamming phenomenon. When installing the paper feed roller assembly, ensure the rotation direction of the paper feed roller is correct, and it is in the middle position. Then slide the fixed sleeve to the far right, rotate the movable sleeve, lock it, and fix it with a screw.